Ever felt like your money's just sitting there, not really growing? You're not alone. We all want our money to work harder for us, but figuring out how can feel overwhelming. That's where platforms like Stashaway come in. But how exactly does it all work? Stick around, because we're about to break it down. Imagine your money as a seed. You want it to grow into a healthy, thriving plant, right? Stashaway helps you do that by taking the guesswork out of investing. They offer a range of investment portfolios tailored to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Think of it like this: are you saving for a down payment on a house? A comfortable retirement? Or maybe a dream vacation? Stashaway has portfolios designed for each of these goals. They carefully select a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, and other investments based on your chosen risk level. Let's hear from someone who's experienced the Stashaway difference. Before Stashaway, I felt lost when it came to investing. I didn't know where to start or what to invest in. Stashaway made it so easy. I just chose my risk level and let them handle the rest. Now, I'm feeling much more confident about my financial future. Stashaway also makes investing accessible. You can start with as little as a small amount of money and contribute regularly. They handle the rebalancing of your portfolio, adjusting your investments as market conditions change. This helps to manage risk and potentially increase your returns over the long term. The Stashaway platform itself is user-friendly and easy to navigate. You can easily monitor your portfolio's performance, track your progress towards your goals, and make adjustments as needed. So, there you have it. Stashaway simplifies investing by offering personalized portfolios, automated investing, and expert management. It's a powerful tool to help you grow your wealth and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.